Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing well and your preparation also is going well. In today's video we will be covering Synecdoche, which is a figure of speech. So before moving on further, as I always say that this topic is very important from the perspective of the students who are in their journey of doing English literature, like if they are in their high school or in college or in university, or they are giving their net exam like UGC net exam and GATE English MA entrance exam. So we'll be dealing this topic very thoroughly from the associated meaning glossaries and examples drawn from the most celebrated authors of English literature. Now without any further ado or delay, let's jump right into the video. Let us understand Synecdoche, a figure of speech in which the part stands for the whole. In Synecdoche, basically we have an example. Okay, we have a literary work where a part will be mentioned, and that part mentioned will be representing the whole community behind mentioning the part. Part is mentioned, but it represents the whole, and thus something else is understood. Okay, something else is understood within its meaning. The part is representing for something bigger. Okay, so it is representing something different from what it is written. It is representing something bigger. Okay, but what is mentioned is a part of it. So basically you can say that it is the understanding of one thing, and one thing is simultaneously represented with another. So a part is represented for the whole, and basically in Synecdoche one name is substituted. Okay, we substitute one name for another, and that another name is the whole of it, right? So basically their meanings are more or less cognate or related to one another. If you will look at these examples, you will understand the concept of Synecdoche in a better way. The first example is, give us this day a daily bread. So here bread stands for the meals which are taken each day. So it is a prayer where we are urging God to give us our daily meals. Okay, the bread is representing for the meal, a part of a meal representing Synecdoche. So this is Synecdoche. Bread is Synecdoche, where it is representing the meal which will be provided by God to us. The next example is, with thunders from her native oak, she quells the flood below. This is from Gay Mariners of England by Thomas Campbell, where oak represents warships as well as the material from which they are made. So I hope you understood what Synecdoche is. Let us draw attention to the effect of Synecdoche. Synecdoche allows speaker to emphasize certain parts of a whole, highlighting their importance by substituting them for the whole. So what do you do in Synecdoche is you emphasize, you focus on parts, but that parts are representing the whole. Okay, you are substituting those parts, and what is the chief focus? You emphasize on parts, but you want to focus on the whole, so you substitute part for a whole in Synecdoche. They draw attention to the power of associated and referential thinking. So you associate parts for the whole, and then readers automatically understand that the part is representing for the whole, or a whole is representing a part, and vice versa. So they draw the reader's attention to the power of associated thinking, how we associate things, and use how we use referential thinking when we read something and associate it with the thing which it represents. Examples of Synecdoche. The first one is, a denial comes to judgment. So here denial, the word denial is Synecdoche. It is signifying what? This part denial is signifying for a very wise judge. The next example is, a man of 70 winters. So a man of 70 winters means he is of 70 years. The next example is, have you any copper? Means have you any money made up of copper? The next one is, all the rank and fashion came to see the sight. Means that all the aristocratic rich people came to see the sight, the view. The last example is all the best brains in Europe could not solve the problems. Here, all the best brains is representing all the intelligent people of Europe who could not solve that particular problems. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon so that you can get regular updates of my videos. Keep learning, keep growing.